Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change Telegram group into channel. Now you must have 100 group members before you can turn it into the channel. Now step one is just click on these three dots if you are on the desktop. Otherwise in the mobile phone you can just go to the my profile section and you will see all these options, and from this section you can just click on create new channel and you can just enter the channel name. Let's say I write it demo 2, and you can just choose the image or description as well. And once you have write down everything, you can just click on create and it will be created. And now as you can see, my channel has been created. You can just select the public channel or private channel, that is your choice. Otherwise you can just skip it. And after that you can just select add members individually. Otherwise you can just click on invite via link. Click on this option and just click on copy link, or otherwise click on share link. And once you have copied the link, just paste this link into the group section inside the Telegram. And once you paste this link into inside the Telegram group which you have, and after that all the members can join through that link to your channel. Now that is the only option. If you are looking for any direct way to convert it, you just cannot. The best way is just copy the link, paste it into the group section, and your members can join from that link. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.